20s by myself, you know. Went through every number on my telephone. I thought that all I needed was someone to hold, but I was wrong. I never thought that maybe I needed a friend. You have always been there together till the end. I thought that all I needed was someone to hold, but I was wrong. Finding love ended.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today or tonight. We are going to be doing a nighttime, late night mom life cleaning video. We are going to be getting things done while everyone else is asleep, which is my favorite time. So I'm going to start off this video by making this sign here. It's kind of a set it and forget it. You guys know I love my Cricut vinyl cutter. It does everything. And so I know I needed to make this sign because we have been bombarded with solicitors and people ringing the doorbell. I also want to make a sign that says lose the shoes. So I'm going to start this video off by doing this, and while this is cutting, I'm going to move on into the kitchen. You guys know I love to show you the real life here. So the kids are already put to bed and I am going to clean up after dinner. I have been trying to get better at loading the dishwasher throughout the day. My energy level is way low, as you can probably imagine. I have no energy during the day. I usually have to nap, and then I honestly don't feel much better after that. So I am praying for the days that I feel better and to get things done and stay on top of it. That's another reason why I have been needing to do these nighttime cleanings, because I just don't get much done in the daytime. So the kids are in bed and it is my time to kind of have to myself. As a mom, you guys know you can't always go to the salon or get your hair and nails done, maybe go to the spa. So you kind of have to make do with the time you've got. And I personally love spending the evenings to myself when the kids are all taken care of. I love to do my craft projects or watch a show or just sometimes aimlessly scroll on social media. Let's be honest, it's very therapeutic for me. So you got to take the time that you get. The vinyl is all done cutting and I am going to put it on this little chalkboard here. I got this from Michael's. I don't remember how much it was. It wasn't very much. I always have a coupon. And I came up with this. I did scour Pinterest to look at some ideas of signs for sleeping babies, and this is what I came up with. I have had my Cricut for a very long time, and you guys know I use it for everything. You can make shirts and decor. You can do so many fun projects with it. It is a must-have for any crafty friend out there. Definitely check them out. You will be so happy you did. One of my favorite things that I absolutely love about the Cricut is that if I see something out there, I can pretty much make it on my own, whether it's farmhouse signs, personalized cups, like I had mentioned, decor, the list goes on. I have to have my cutter. Definitely put it on your list of things to get, or maybe a gift. It is the gift that keeps on giving. I love it. I say it over and over, and I know you guys will too.
I'm gonna start, but now I'm free.
I'm going to use some of my barkeeper's friend here, and I am going to clean off this cooktop here. I'm also pulling the knobs off because there is a lot of grease all over this. I need to get like a special cooktop cleaner, but for now we are going to use what we have.
You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. Free. I'm gonna But now I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free.
One of my least favorite things to do in the evening, or actually anytime, if I'm being honest with you guys, is just putting things back where they go. It's just so tedious and it takes forever. So I wish in a perfect world I could speed through it like I do here on these videos, but I can't. And this counter is always a catch-all, so I try to do my best to keep everything in its little spot. We are still trying to find homes for everything in the house. We have a lot of decluttering and organizing that needs to go on here, but you got to have the energy to do it. So little by little we are getting things done.
Someone said your name had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, 'cause you know.
I'm just going to mention I am also using my Method spray for these countertops. These are quartz. I love them. I love the white. I love how open and white and clean everything looks, but I will say you can see everything, every little spot on them. But I love this cleaner and my microfiber cloth. This is what I use every single day whenever I'm cleaning my countertops.
'Cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple of friends and we went out, but I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late. Someone said your name had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, 'cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same.
So I'm absolutely on the fence. Initially, I wanted to have a gold faucet, but we did not want to order it at the builders when we were doing the design meeting because it was just way too expensive and I knew I could find something more affordable elsewhere. You guys know I am always going to find the best price and I will wait until I find that price. But now that we have the stainless steel sink and this chrome handle, I'm thinking maybe it just makes do for now. Let me know in the comments below, should I change out the faucet for a gold one or just leave it as is?
Skip the small talk, 'cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, 'cause you know me
Now it's time to clean up some of my mess. I still have some more projects I want to do with this Cricut, so I'm going to leave the main machine here and just take some of the supplies, accessories, and put them back into the room. If you saw my last video, you saw where I organized all of my Cricut supplies in the baby's room, so I am going to put everything back there. I will also have that video in the card above if that's something you want to check out, where I completely declutter and organize the baby's room as well as do some decorating in the house. So now I'm just going to go through the kitchen and start cleaning up some of the crumbs on the floor. We do have a little bit of an ant issue when you live in a new neighborhood that is recently being built, especially when it's in a more rural area. You're definitely going to have issues with ants, but thankfully we had the pest guy come out today and we are getting that taken care of. I am still on the hunt for more things in this living room. As you see, there is a blank part of the wall right next to the buffet or credenza. I'm looking for an antique chair to go there to kind of have like a little seating area. Let me know if you guys have an opinion on this, but I have got a glider coming and I want to put it in the baby's room, but I'm thinking, do I need another glider or rocking chair in the living room and or my bedroom? So the baby will be in our room. I have a bassinet for her, so I'm just trying to figure out where I need to have another rocking chair because I don't want to disturb Chris. Obviously, he has to continue to go to work, so I will get up with the baby. He will too, and he wants to, but I usually just try to do it on my own.
I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story.
So this would not be a late night mom life type of cleaning without tons of laundry, and that is what I am doing now. I have so much I'm trying to catch up on. I had mentioned in my last video we are still needing to get some baskets, but I am going to just use these ones from Walmart. I mentioned in a couple of videos ago when we were still at the lake house that when I have this much laundry, what I like to do is take these baskets. I think they were only $3 each from Walmart. They're super flexible and super sturdy and durable, and I will just sort the kids' clothes. So I won't fold everything, especially when there is this much that needs to be done. So I'm just going to be putting their items in their bins, and then the next day when they get home from school, they'll have to tackle this.
Clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
So I would love to know from all of the homemakers and mamas out there, or just whoever's watching, how often do you do laundry if you have children? So is it an everyday thing? I know for me to be able to stay on top of it, it needs to be every day. I know it sounds so silly. I've had like a million kids, but I cannot remember how I feel after the baby. I have been so tired this pregnancy, more fatigued than any other pregnancy. And I don't think that it's just my age. I'm sure that having that awful virus kind of contributed, but I am just so tired all the time. I don't remember being this tired. So let me know, for the mamas out there, how soon do you start feeling better? I mean, obviously we're gonna be sleep deprived, but I need some energy and I cannot even handle coffee right now. So yeah, I am just looking for brighter days. I cannot wait for the little baby to be here. I cannot wait to snuggle her and to love her. But I'm also really looking forward to getting back to my old self.
I'm really scared of heights. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting really scared of heights. I'm in the spotlight, not until midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand, 'cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
I'm always on the lookout now when I'm walking down the street. I grasp for a glimpse of you in every person that I see. Oh, it's all in my mind. I don't really.
So I don't know if you guys just saw me, what I was doing. There's a massive wolf spider. And yeah, for me, that's gonna have to be a wrap. I don't do wolf spiders. Nope. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to bed because I'm scared. Good night. Make sure you subscribe. This is how I am leaving the clothes. The kids are gonna have to tackle this when they get home from school. I'm gonna put away the things that I can right now, which are these dishcloths that I had washed. And then that is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this late night mom life cleaning video. Let me know in the comments below if you like videos like this. I tried to make it a little bit more relaxing and definitely super relatable. So, like I had mentioned, we don't always get time at the salon and all the things, but you can get a little time first thing in the morning or in the evening for yourself, and you just got to embrace it while you can. Thank you all so much for joining me. I love you. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.